Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can change the cabin air filter yourself in your Toyota Corolla. Mine personally here is a 2013 Toyota Corolla, but I've been told that this is the same process for 2009 to 2019 models. The replacement filters of choice I have here is the EP Auto CP285. These have activated carbon, which will help eliminate odors even better than the stock one that comes with your car. And the one I have here is a 2-pack. Got it off Amazon for about $10, so they're really cheap. You generally just need to change your cabin air filter about once a year, depending on your driving conditions. But for most people, I would say about once a year. But as usual, the best thing to do is to consult your owner's manual that came with your car. And in fact, most owner's manuals will actually show you the step-by-step instructions on how to change the cabin air filter yourself anyways. But since you clicked on this video, I'm going to be, of course, demonstrating it for you all starting now. So first of all, you don't need any tools whatsoever. You just need your pair of hands to perform this maintenance and, of course, that replacement filter. So your cabin air filter is actually tucked away behind your glove compartment, which is pretty easy to access actually. But the first thing you want to do is just remove everything from your glove compartment so you're able to unhinge the glove compartment. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and unhinge the damper arm right there. It's just something that helps prevent the glove box from suddenly opening real quickly. So all you have to do is just press it outward so that it will slip off the knob, and there you go. Now it's unhinged. So the next step to really be able to access the filter is to drop the glove box. So you can see it's still held in place here on both sides. It's just a plastic piece going into a hole. And so all you have to do is literally push in the flexible plastic on either side so that the glove box is able to drop downwards. And now here's a quick look at what it looks like behind the glove box. You can see there's all the wiring contraptions and whatnot here, but what you need to focus on is here at the upper left corner. That plastic slot cover is covering up the cabin air filter. So to remove it, it's very simple. You just need to press against it slightly and the cover will pop right off. And pulling out the old filter, you can see that it certainly is worse for wear. It's even a little bit deformed, so it's definitely a good time for me to replace this guy. So now I'm just unboxing the new filter that I have here. You can see that compared to the old one, it is definitely considerably thicker. And you can see the activated carbon because it's gray, not because it's dirty. So that's just a quick comparison between the two. Now let's go ahead and install this new filter. So it's really simple. You just need to make sure the orientation is correct. So there is a little arrow on this filter, and there's also an arrow on the filter cover. So in this case, we want to have the airflow arrow pointing upwards to match the up arrow here shown on the cover. So now just gently slide it in place. Make sure the orientation is correct. Pop on that cover once again, make sure you hear that click so it's securely in place. And then the only thing left to do is just restore the glove box back to its original position. And to do so, all you have to do is basically just close it, and then it will automatically relock it in place. And then finally, just go ahead and put back the damper arm. But there you have it. That's how you replace your cabin air filter. A really simple process, probably only would take you 5 minutes. But in doing so, you have greatly improved the air quality of your car, as well as possibly even have helped improve the heating and air conditioning circulation in your car. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you're interested in changing the other air filter in your car, that would be your engine air filter, definitely check out the other video I have uploaded on my channel.